Hello everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. I'm Maya, and we have a really fantastic lesson ready for you today.
And I'm Daniel. Hey everyone, how are you doing today, Maya?
I am doing great, Daniel. I'm actually really excited about today's topic. It is something every single English learner needs at some point, which is how to talk about yourself.
Oh, absolutely. It's such a crucial topic. Whether you're starting a new class, getting a new job, or just meeting someone new, people ask about this all the time. But, well, sometimes it's hard to know exactly what to say.
Exactly. So today, our goal is to make talking about yourself simple, easy, and completely natural for everyday situations.
Here is what we're going to cover today to help build your confidence step by step. First, the basics. Second, age, work, and family. Third, pets and favorite things. Fourth, hobbies and dislikes. And finally, putting it all together.
That's right. We'll start with the easiest questions first, and then we'll put all those building blocks together into one perfect introduction.
So let's jump right into section 1, the basics. This covers your name and your home.
So, who goes first, you or me? Well, how about I go first, and you can ask me the questions. Perfect. Let's start easy. What is your name? I just use a really simple formula. My name is Daniel. Nice to meet you, Daniel. And my name is Maya. So, where are you from, Daniel? I am from Australia. Australia, wow. And I am from Kenya. Do you live in a big city or a small town? I live in a small coastal town. It's very peaceful. I live in a house with a small garden where I actually love growing vegetables. What about you, Maya? I live in a big city in Kenya. There's lots of noise and traffic, but I really love the energy. And I live in an apartment. It is small, but it's very cozy. So, a small coastal town and a big, noisy city. That's quite the contrast.
Let's move on to section 2, age, work, and family, sharing your personal background.
So, what's next? How about age? How old are you, Daniel? Only if you want to share, of course.
Oh, it's totally fine. I am 31 years old.
31. Nice. I am 27. I think 27 is a great age to be learning new things and making new friends.
I completely agree with you.
Okay, moving on to a slightly bigger question now. What do you do, Daniel? What is your job? I am an English teacher. I really love my job, just teaching people new things every day. Oh, well, of course you are. That makes perfect sense for this explainer. Exactly. Wait, what about you? What do you do? I am a nurse. I work at a hospital right in the city. It's hard work for sure, but it is very rewarding to help people. An English teacher and a nurse. Different careers, but both are really all about helping people.
Okay, let's talk about family now. Do you have any brothers or sisters, Maya?
Yes, I have 2 brothers. One is older, he's 30. And one is younger, he's 24.
So you are right in the middle. What do your parents do?
Well, my mother is a chef, so she cooks delicious food for us all the time. And my father is an accountant.
What about you, Daniel? Any siblings? I have one sister. Her name is Claire, and she is 28. Now, what's really interesting here is a funny coincidence. My sister is a nurse, too, just like you. Really? No way, what a coincidence. Yes, and actually, my mother is also a nurse. My father is a mechanic. Wow, a whole family of nurses? It really is a small world.
All right, let's transition to section 3, pets and favorite things. Fun topics to share.
So, do you have any pets? I do. I have a cat. Her name is Coco. She's very lazy, but incredibly sweet. She sleeps almost all day. What about you?
I have a dog. His name is Rocky. He is a golden retriever, and unlike Coco, Rocky is very energetic and he loves to run on the beach near my house.
Rocky sounds adorable. So we have a lazy cat and an energetic dog.
All right, let's talk favorites. What is your favorite food, Maya?
I would say my favorite food is pasta. I like it with tomato sauce and lots of cheese. It's simple, but delicious. What about you?
My favorite food is grilled fish, especially with lemon and herbs. It's very healthy.
That sounds so tasty. Both of those are such great choices for dinner.
Okay, one more favorite. Favorite animal besides pets? I'd say mine is elephants. They're just so gentle and intelligent.
Elephants are a great choice. My favorite animal is the dolphin. I just find them so fascinating.
and really playful.
Dolphins are amazing too. You know, this really illustrates how sharing simple favorites gives people a great little window into your personality.
Now let's look at section 4, hobbies and dislikes, free time and personal preferences.
So what do you enjoy doing in your free time, Daniel? Well, since I live near the beach, my absolute favorite hobby is surfing. I also love reading mystery novels and just relaxing at night by listening to jazz music. What about you? My hobbies are a bit different. My passion is painting. I love painting beautiful landscapes. I also enjoy cooking on the weekends and trying out new recipes. I think I definitely inherited that from my mom.
Now let's talk about something a little different, things we dislike. I'll go first. I have to confess, I really do not like mushrooms. I just don't like the texture. I also really dislike crowded and noisy places.
Well, everyone has their preferences. I actually love mushrooms, but I agree about having things we just don't like. For me, I really dislike very spicy food, and I really do not like waking up early in the morning.
I think most people feel that way about waking up early.
Let's move to our final section, putting it all together, using the building blocks.
To make it easy, here is a simple 3-step formula you can always use. Step 1, start with your name. Step 2, share where you are from. And step 3, add a relevant hobby or a reason for why you are there.
Let's see how confidently we can combine these blocks to invite a real conversation. Daniel, can you give us an example?
Sure. Let's say I am introducing myself in a classroom environment. I would say, my name is Daniel, I'm from Australia, and I'm learning English to travel more.
That is perfect. It's clear, it's simple, and it's tailored exactly for a classroom.
But what if you are at a relaxed party setting? Maya, what would you say? I would use a shorter, more casual introduction. I would just say, "Hi, I'm Maya. I love painting and cooking." And boom, just like that, the other person can ask you about your painting, and a real conversation begins. It's an invitation to get to know someone, not something to be afraid of.
Beautifully said, Daniel. Well, time really does fly when the conversation is this fun. That brings us to the end of our explainer.
Thank you all so much for listening today. If you found this explainer helpful, please share it with anyone else who is learning English.
And now it is practice time. We want to hear from you. The world is full of new friends waiting to meet you, so how will you introduce yourself today? Head down to the comments and write a simple introduction, starting with, "My name is."
We absolutely can't wait to read them and get to know you. Keep practicing, don't be afraid to make mistakes, and we'll see you in the next one.
Take care, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye!